Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Footwear Fashion Palace, and I am here with my another video and my this video is about some flat footwear in really beautiful design and different color combination. And as you see this sandal looks really nice, a beautiful slipper. You can wear these in your normal daily routine at your house and it looks really beautiful, and these are really comfortable. And as you see, this black color sandal looks really nice. This one is also a very beautiful silver color, the shiny thing little bit like it looks really pretty and really amazing. Silver color that looks really nice, a very beautiful kind of color. And this one is also a very beautiful heel, very pretty design and beautiful color. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of flat sandals. And as you see, these sandal looks really beautiful with your eastern kind of dresses, and you can wear these with also with your western dresses. It look really pretty. And as you see, this slipper looks really nice, like these kind of slipper you can wear in your normal daily routine in your home, and these are very comfortable and beautiful also. And as you see, this design looks really nice, this looks really beautiful and very nice design. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and like this video, comment on this video and share this video. So today's video is about to